Namaste to all. Here I am with a video relating to the partnership accounts, and in this video we are going to discuss the maintenance of partners capital account. Partners capital account can be maintained in two methods. One is fixed capital account method, another one is fluctuating capital account. One is fixed capital account method, another one is fluctuating capital account. Sir, what is the difference between two methods? That may be your question. In fixed capital account method, we maintain capital account balances as fixed. There will not be any changes to the partner's capital account and they maintain fixed. Okay. Any transactions done by the partners for their personal purpose or any amount paid to the partner by the partnership firm will be transferred to separate account called partners current account. So in fixed capital account method we transfer all the transactions relating to the partner to their current account, not to their capital account. Whereas in case of fluctuating capital account method, all transactions done by the partners will directly reflected in partners capital account itself. But in case of fixed capital account method, we will not transfer anything to the partners capital account. If any additional capital is brought by partner, then that will be credited to partners capital account. Otherwise, same opening balance will be carried forward for the next year because partners capitals are fixed. And one more thing, if any amount drawn from the opening balance, then that will be treated as drawings and will be debited to partners capital account. If partner draws anything from the profits of the business, then it will be debited to current accounts as drawings. Okay, this is the main thing we need to remember in this. All other things like salary, any payment to the partner as salary, interest on capital will be credited to current accounts of partners, and anything relating to the interest on drawings or any payments by the partner or from the partnership firm to the partner will be debited to partner's current account. Whereas all these things will be reflected in partner's capital account in fluctuating capital account. First we will see partner's fixed capital account method, where we will prepare two accounts called, one is partners current account, another account called partners capital account. Okay, these are the two things. So here we are having one example question. With this question I will explain. I am moving aside, मैं थोड़ा साइड पे आ जाता हूँ so that you can easily understand what is being happening here. ये ब्रश हम दूसरा ब्रश ले लेते हैं ऊपर से. So Tripathi and Chauhan, Tripathi and Chauhan are partners in a partnership firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2 means 3:2 means 3 by 5, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So it will be 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. 3 by 5 for Tripathi and 2 by 5 for Chauhan. Okay. Next, their capitals were 60,000, 40,000 respectively as on 1st January 2005. 2005 में उनका कैपिटल बैलेंस वो है. So these are the opening balances will come to the partners कैपिटल अकाउंट. कहाँ पे आएंगे ये? पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में. ड्यूरिंग द ईयर दे अर्न प्रॉफिट ऑफ 30,000. इस साल उनको प्रॉफिट कितना आया? 30,000. दिस 30,000 विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू पार्टनर्स इन देयर प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. ये रेशियो में 30,000 आपको डिवाइड करना है. ओके. अकॉर्डिंग टू द पार्टनरशिप डीड बोथ द पार्टनर्स आर एंटाइटल्ड ₹1,000 पर मंथ. पर मंथ, प्लीज अंडरलाइन पर मंथ. पर मंथ they are getting how much? 1,000 rupees. So per annum 1,000 into 12 months. So into 12 it will be 12,000 rupees they will get as salary. Both for Tripathi it is 12,000 as well as for Chauhan. Interest 5% interest on their capital. Their capital balances are 60,000, 40,000. So 60,000 into 5% interest to Tripathi and 60,000 to Chauhan. Sorry, 5% on 40,000. Okay. They are also to be charged interest 5% on drawings. Interest on drawings will be debited to partners current account. Salary and interest on capital will be credited to partners current account. Profit also will be credited irrespective of the period. Now don't worry, when they have drawn the drawings, whether it is at the beginning, whether it is at the end of the month, you don't worry. Just per annum you charge interest 5% they are saying, which is rupees 12,000 for Tripathi drawings and 8,000 for Chauhan. So 12,000 into 5%, 600 drawings for, हाँ उतना ही होता, 12,000 into 5%, 5 by 100. Okay, 0 0 0 0 cancelled. 12 5s are 60. How many zeros remaining? 1 0 is remaining, so 600. Otherwise we can do in other way also. 8,000 is the drawings of Chauhan. 8,000 into 5 by 100 कर सकते, या if it is 8,000, if it is 8,000 for 10%, for 10% you remove just 1 0, so it is 800. For 5% half of the 10%, 5% means 10 में आधा, तो 10 के लिए एक जीरो निकाल दिए तो बस 8,000 में से एक जीरो निकाल दिए 800. नाउ 800 into half, आधा 400. Like that we can easily do. सर मुझे ऐसा समझ में नहीं आ रहा, I can't do like this. सर मुझे ऐसा समझ में नहीं आता, मुझे ऐसा ही करना है, 5 by 100 ही करना है, तो 5 by 100 ही करो. 100 means 0 0 cancels, 0 0 cancels. Okay, 8 5s are 40. How many zeros left over? 400. That is what I said. 10% के लिए जो भी अमाउंट रहेगा उसमें से एक जीरो हटा देना. 5% means half of the 10%. So do the half. So till here we have discussed the question. prepare partners capital accounts when capitals are fixed. कौन सा फिक्स्ड कैपिटल अकाउंट है बोल रहे, कौन सा मेथड, फिक्स्ड कैपिटल अकाउंट. So partners capitals are fixed. Now you need to solve the answer under partners capital accounts are fixed. Okay, let us do it. If there is any opening balance of current accounts, then we will consider that, but here there is no opening balance, directly we need to do. So I am doing here, you can see. So partners टेक्स्ट कलर, अच्छा यहाँ पे पेन ले लेता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे एक, आपको यहाँ पे दिखाने के लिए. पार्टनर्स will have red color. Partners fixed capital method, partners capital accounts under fixed capital method. Partners current accounts first we will prepare, then we will prepare the partners capital account. Okay, first current account we are going to prepare. If any balance is there, that balance we will consider here by balance brought down, but here there is no opening balance in the partners capital account. So directly I am writing by profit and loss account. Wait a minute, let me change the font, we will put black. So here I am going to write one by one. By profit and loss account, profit and loss account, by profit and loss account, profit कितना है, how much profit we are having, 30,000. In which ratio? In 3:2 ratio we need to distribute. Okay, that is 30,000 into 5 by 30,000 into 5 by 10, sorry, 3 by 5. So I am doing here calculation relating to it. पेन ले लिया मैंने. 30,000 into 3 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 6 are, okay, 6 threes are 18. So how much it will be, 18 and 3 zeros, 18,000. Similarly 30,000 into, ये चौहान के लिए 30,000 into 2 by 5, again 5 6 are 30, 6 2s are 12, 12 and 3 zeros, so 12,000 here it is. Okay, so here we need to consider 18,000, here it is 12,000. Wait a minute, Amma. black and no fill. Right? Partners, capital account we are, current account we are doing. Next, by salary, by cash, in brackets we can write salary. Okay. Directly you can write salary also, by salary. Why to write cash again? No need of writing cash. Directly we can write by salary. By salary, 1000 rupees per month, 1000 into 12 we need to do. Thousand into 12, so it will be 12,000. Here also 12,000. For each partner they are saying 12,000 सैलरी. सर कहाँ पे बोले? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में दिया ना भाई. See here, they earn profit 30,000 and they are entitled 1000 rupees per month as salary and 5% interest on capital. Interest on capital. So next we are going to write by interest on capital. Interest on capital. So 60,000 into how much? At 5%, no? 60,000 into 5%. 40,000 into 5%. So it will be 3,000 and 2,000. So this is how we need to do. Next, interest on capital is over. Next we are having drawings and interest on drawings. See here, they said they also charge 5% interest on drawings. How much drawings are there? 12,000 for Tripathi and 8,000 for Chauhan. So I consider these drawings are from profit itself. So we will write here two drawings. Two drawings how much means one is 12,000, another one 8,000. Two interest on drawings is also there. Two interest IND means interest on drawings. ज़्यादा हो रहा. Okay. Consider it as interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is at don't worry. Interest on drawings is at the rate 5%. So 12,000 into 5%, 8,000 into 5%. So it will be 400 and 600 as we have calculated earlier. इससे पहले ही कैलकुलेट करके रखे, ऊपर मैंने बताया था ना यहाँ पे इससे पहले. आप चाहे तो कैलकुलेटर लेके कैलकुलेट कर सकते या डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते. So this is what we are having: interest on drawings, interest on capital, total. Let us do the total now. 12,000 plus 12,000, 24,000, 24 plus 2,000, 24 plus 2, 26,000. From 26,000, here also we need to write 26,000 because credit side is more than the debit side. Debit side you are having 8,400, credit side you are having. अब टोटलिंग बैलेंसिंग कैसे करना वो सेकंड ईयर वालों को फिर से फर्स्ट ईयर का नहीं बता सकते. जो क्रेडिट साइड में रहेगा, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा है वही डेबिट साइड में भी लिखना पड़ता. सो क्रेडिट साइड you are having more, so 26,000 we will write debit side also, and difference will be treated as to balance. Carry down C by D. So from 26,000 if you deduct 8,000 it will be 18,000. From 18,000 if you deduct 400 it will be 17,600. Okay, next 18 plus 12, 30, 30 plus 3, 33,000 we are having. So 33,000 total. Here debit side total is 12,600, so lesser than the credit side. So here also total will be 33,000. From 33,000 if you deduct 12,000. सर कैसे कर रहे सर आप ये पूरा? Simple. See here, I'll show you calculations also. Roughly, I'll take a pen. See, total is how much? 33,000. So 33,000 we will write. From 33,000 deduct how much? 12,000. 33 minus 12, it will be 0, 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 21,000. Okay, from this 21,000 again we need to deduct some amount. how much, what we need to deduct? 600 we need to deduct. So 600 minus करें तो पे नहीं आ रहा, हाँ 600 माइनस करें तो 4 0 में 9 रहेगा, कैरी करें तो 9 minus 9 0 and 2, so it will be how much? 20,200. How much it is? 20,000, sorry, 20,400, not 200. I said wrong. So this is how partners current account we need to prepare. After preparing partners current account, we need to prepare another account called partners capital account. Let us do that one also. Okay, here we have completed this is your balancing figure. Okay, this is the balancing figure we are having. Next we need to prepare the partners capital accounts. So let us see the partners capital accounts one by one. By balance, brought down. Opening balance was there na. How much it is? 60,000, 40,000. So here we are going to write by balance brought down. 60,000, in next column 40,000. This don't irritate me ba. So what happens, current account balances will be transferred to capital accounts and total will be taken, but no need of doing that. If you are closing the books of accounts and closing the business, then current account balances will be transferred to the capital accounts, otherwise we will not transfer the current account balance to the capital account. Is there any additions during the year? इस साल कुछ additions हुए क्या? क्या हुआ बस 40,000. थोड़ा ये सता रहा मुझे. Right. So is there any additional capital brought down? No. if any additional capital brought down, then we will write by cash in brackets additional capital. बट हियर देर इज नो एडिशनल कैपिटल. इस प्रॉब्लम में एडिशनल कैपिटल कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर है तो यहाँ पे लिखना है. ओके, बट हियर इट इज नॉट सो, so we will not write anything. Okay, so to balance carried down. To balance carried down, whatever balance is there on credit side same total करे तो 60,000, 40,000, 60,000, 40,000, ये हो गया 60,000. Same will be on the debit side because there is no balance on the debit side. Same will be total, and from 60,000 if you deduct nil, it will be 60,000. This is how, this is total column. Okay, don't get confused. This is total, that is balance, and that is your balancing figure. This is how we need to do. Partners capital account under fixed capital method. Which method? Fixed capital method. Hope you have understood. So this is how we need to prepare partners. All salary, interest, drawings, partners, current accounts, and opening balance, any additional capital brought down will be there in the capital accounts. Otherwise, nothing will come under partners capital account. And remember one thing, if you are closing the business in case of dissolution, this current account balances will be transferred to the capital account when you are closing. Some people will transfer the current account balance also to the, but in general capital accounts and current accounts both will be prepared separately, and these balances will be transferred to the balance sheet liability side. Okay, थोड़ा कम करेंगे इसको, राइट. यहाँ पे भी ये थोड़ा बढ़ाना. ओके, do adjustments later. I will stop the. So सीखते रहो, सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. This is what I'll tell you always. जय हिंद.